My name's Jeff Feller. I'm the U.S. representative for Innovative Flooring Supply. We manufacture LVT, laminate, as well as engineered hardwood. We utilize the Välinge 5G locking mechanism because it's the best on the market. It's the strongest. We don't have complaints, and that's one of the things that I want to impress on you, is the fact that if you're utilizing our product and we're utilizing the Välinge 5G locking mechanism, you're not going to have a complaint. We know that the installers have difficulty with all the different locking mechanisms that are out there. But our product, you utilize your thumb and press it down and the product locks.
So I'm Mack from Mack's Flooring in Campbell River, British Columbia. I choose the 5G system because through the years, after trying every other style of locking mechanism, this is the most consistent and the most reliable way we've found to install floors. I've been an installer, I've been a business owner, and time again, the 5G system is not only long-lasting, but easy to install, and time is everything, especially for the installers who come into our shop.
So we use the Välinge locking system because it's easy to use, but it's also extremely strong, so we don't have any issues with the product as well. So it gives us very much a stable product, and that's why we chose the 5G locking system.